multiplying fractions. Whenever we're multiplying fractions, it's very simple. We simply do top times top over bottom times bottom. So in an example like this, we're going to multiply the 5 and the 2 together to get the top, and then the 7 and the 3 to get the bottom. So we have 5 times 2 over 7 times 3, which equals 10 over 21. Always check at the end if your answer can be simplified. In this case, it can't, so that is the final answer. In this example, because the 4 and the 10 are both multiples of 2, we can cancel before we multiply. You can do this whenever you have numbers on the diagonal that are factors of the same number. So starting off with the 4 and the 10, both divide by 2 to leave us with a 2 and a 5. And then we also can cancel on this diagonal with the 3 and the 9. 3 goes into 3 one time, and 3 goes into 9 3 times. Now on the top, we have 2 times 1 over 3 times 5. So that gives us a final answer of 2 over 15. In this example, we're dealing with mixed numbers. You cannot do any sum with fractions until you have changed mixed numbers into top-heavy fractions. So that is our first step. In order to do that, you multiply the denominator by the whole number, and then you add on the numerator. So for our first one, we're doing 3 times 2, which is 6, plus 1, which is 7. So 7 over 3. And then we're doing 5 times 3 plus 2. So 15 plus 2 is 17 over 5. Next step is to check and see if anything can cancel. 7 and 5 don't cancel. 3 and 17 don't cancel. So we go straight to our multiplication. We do top times top, which is 7 times 17, which is 119, and then we do 3 times 5 on the bottom, which is 15. We now need to change this into a mixed number by seeing how many full times 15 goes into 119. 15 goes in 7 full times, which would give us 105. So therefore we have 14 left over, so a remainder of 14, so 7 and 14 over 15.